sometimes I even spend some time telling her, oh, look at this, look at this gym. Or she's the one showing. Nakakatuwa naman talaga. Dahil sa pagmamahal namin, ang daming tao na makuha.
Daming tao na tayo sila. At the same time, you know, it also pushes us to be better. You know, to be better actors.
Yeah.
Kasi gusto namin magbigay ng qualities sa kanila.
Gusto siyempre namin na bumalik sa acting. Every role na ina-accept namin, sana parang may nabibigay kami na bagong edge.
Santa ka ba naman?
Speaking of that, magpapinalinig na, I already wrapped already. How was the ride? How was the experience, of course, being in the national series?
So, maganda siya. Parang preparation since we're going to actually have a show series, an action series.
Request din direct sa amin parehas, especially her to have abs.
Yeah, like talagang paghahandaan namin, kumbaga. So, ayun po.
Grabe, abs pa lang paano nyo ang nilalagay sa market para sa action series. Alam mo, yung hirap i-announce.
Mahirap i-announce kasi ayaw pa namin.
Si Marco, di ba? Parang dali naman ko si Adam to ballpark. Which is your
I mean, look, I'm not gonna lie. It's easy to get big, but to get shredded, it's really, really hard. So kahit mukhang malaki, it takes a lot of work to have an abs. Tapos, kung natural ka, alam naman ni Heaven, hindi basta-basta na kahit anong pwede mong kainin, kahit talaga.
Discipline din naman. Pero we're just really excited for, you know, the upcoming series that we're going to do.
Wow! Ano po yung share nyo so far? Kailan namin yung rolling? Kailan namin yung target music?
So we can't say that yet, but hopefully this year, yes, soon. We're preparing, for example, like shot boxing up of Muay Thai. So it's gonna be an intense
Yeah. Hindi ko yung siguro yung pinaka-action na ako ever.
Yes. Yes.
Ano ba gusto natin pumapasok sa parang love team sa action?
Diba?
Diba? So parang mas, well, you showed a bit of another side of yourself and you're in this mania, but what kind of partner would you see?
Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Ayoko na magsalita pa.
Yeah, if I keep talking, MJ,
Ayun yung, yeah. July. So, yeah, preparing muna. Let's see how it goes. Pero ayun, looking forward. Maraming salamat.
Alam ko yung Marvin napansin ko hindi kayo takot mag-explore. Bakit kayo
mag-explore?
Yeah, iba't ibang genres.
Siguro, pwede rin yung bilang actor na hindi mag-cage sa isang genre. Diba? So, it's a good challenge. Maganda siya para to ignite you eh. Kasi kung paulit-ulit mo ginagawa, wala nang passion. Wala nang fire, kumbaga.
How do you feel the fire
in our relationship or in our career?
Pwede ko!
Actually, good question. But we always do something new together, like make trips swimming or something that would make us better, or like gyms, or going to we just want to be better for each other, and also at the same time, we just want to also explore individually and together. So hindi siya caged relationship.
How do you resolve fights? Siyempre matagal na kayo. How do you resolve fights?
I think in the very beginning of our time together, parang nagka-problema tayo makipag-usap sa isa't isa. Pero communication problems. Tapos over time, parang na-realize namin na, of course, teammate kami dito. That, you know, we were forgetting na kailangan natin yung isa't isa para maayos. Kaya yung pride dapat
Ibaba. Very mature.
Very mature?
Yes. Yes, totoo naman yun.
Feeling ko recently na nakukuha ko na yung piliti mo kung paano pakalman.
Yeah!
rin.
Pandemic.
After pandemic. So, basta, you know, we made sure na hindi nga talaga dahil sa the rain. I mean, nakakatuwa kasi doon kami nag-connect. Pero, hindi kami na-inlove sa isa dahil may muna at
Mahal na natin, mahal.
Sige lang, kakahanan muna.
Picture lang. 1, 2, 3. Isa pa 1, 2, 3.
Dear Marvin, 1, 2, 3.
And
Thank you guys.
Always support.
Tagal na.
Oo nga. Pag-chika naman. Nahuli ako eh. Nebe, nakatamo ba yung dahon?
Ano tahon? Yung saging. It will forever be with me.
Does that make that official?
It's more of a promise, you know, na may isang goal kami. Na we're working on it.
At saka reassurance din yun. Kasi na parang kahit sa hirap at ginhawa,
Yeah.
we're gonna be working on things together.
Promise to be a... Ano yun?
Okay na
Okay
po
na
tayo.
yun.
Okay na po.
Basta may dahon na.
Basta masaya
Dahon
po.
ring.
So, opo.
Thank you.
Mahal, ikwento mo na sa kanila paano. Hindi meron ba? Propose na? Charot lang. Pero,
Play VTR.
Desisyon. Ako anywhere naman. Kahit nga sa tapat ng Thai restaurant, okay lang. Pero, hindi natin ibibigay kay Mark yung mic. Pero, ang dream,
Hindi, ganito kasi yan. May nangyari kasi kaya na-mention niya sa Thai restaurant. Just trust me, man. Trust me. So ganito yung nangyari. Bale, di ba, there was this one night na kumakain lang kami sa Thai restaurant sa Makati. And then, nag-usap lang kami after gym, after boxing. Tapos, nag-usap lang kami. Tapos sabi ko, mahal, paano kapag hindi ako yumaman? Paano kapag hindi kita kayang suportahan one day? Paano kapag hindi matutupad yung mga pangarap natin? Kung sakto lang yung kita ko at hindi ko makuha yung magandang ring or basta magandang sing-sing, kahit ganito ba i-accept mo? Tapos kinuha ko yung banana leaf doon sa Thai food. Tapos tinay ko, sabi ko, tatanggapin mo ba to for the meantime? Tapos isusunod ko na lang pa. Sabi niya, ang sabi mo?
oo.
So yun, doon ko nalaman na siya na nga pala.
Ang hirap sundan. Hindi ako, siguro same with Haya, specific na lang.